Across real estate in British Columbia, the question of who owns what has become too cloudy as a result of ownership being hidden behind corporations, trusts, and partnerships. To protect all of our interests, the Government of British Columbia has passed the Land Owner Transparency Act, part of a comprehensive plan to end hidden ownership in real estate in our province. This important legislation will be administered through the Land Owner Transparency Registry, a first of its kind in Canada. The registry will be a publicly searchable database containing information about all interest holders who have indirect ownership of land in British Columbia. The Land Title and Survey Authority of British Columbia is responsible for developing and operating the registry as set out in the Land Owner Transparency Act. Under this act, all transferees must declare if they are a reporting body, which includes relevant corporations, relevant trusts, and relevant partnerships. Transferees who are reporting bodies must then disclose identifying information about themselves and any indirect owners of the land. For example, if you're an owner or a part owner of a corporation, trust, or a partnership that has investment in commercial or residential real estate in British Columbia, you will need to file a disclosure report to the Land Owner Transparency Registry. This includes companies that are based outside of British Columbia that own land within our province. Disclosure obligations for the Land Owner Transparency Registry are ongoing. That means that any time an application is made to register an interest in land, a transparency declaration must be filed. A reporting body must file updated information every time its interest holders change, even if there is no legal change in ownership. The public will be able to search for limited information contained within the Land Owner Transparency Registry. Only a few entities will be able to access all registry information, including taxing authorities, the Ministry of Finance, law enforcement, and other regulatory bodies. The Government of British Columbia is responsible for enforcing compliance with the Land Owner Transparency Act. Failure to file a transparency report or providing false or misleading information within a transparency report or declaration may lead to fines and other penalties. The Land Owner Transparency Registry is a necessary step in protecting the interests of all British Columbians by ending hidden ownership and by clarifying who owns what.